He's going back for more. Oh no.
Hey, what happened?
It just attacked him. I recorded it. I recorded it.
I bet you he's the one to get his game. He's gonna come back.
Just jump away and look down and come back up, bro. It's my sewer.
Nah, you came back for more. Nah, you better fight him. Right. And we get the perfect view of it right here. Nah, you better go fight him. You came over here. You're trying to feed him. Nah.
Oh God.
You better fight him.
Oh my God, we're at Great Wolf Lodge. I wouldn't think this would just show up at nighttime on my birthday. Oh no, no, no. They're face to face.
The cat's about attacking.
Yeah, get closer. Come on.
Look at what cats do.
Come on. Yeah, they're fighting under that tree.
No.
Nah, you're gonna go around. You better. No, you better leave.
I was like, eh.
Oh no,
He wants the tree. That's all he wants. All he wants is the tree. No, they're fighting over the tree right now.
that cat doesn't care about it. They find over the sewer.
Oh.
The cat's like that. The cat's like that. My sewer.
He said, no, I'm done.
He said, this
No,
my
that first time he snuck up on him, he's like, no, I'm not falling for that again.
Oh no, he's under there. I don't know if you can't really see anything down there.
I can still see him. Come on, play the video.
No, I'm looking down there in the cracks.
Can you still see him?
Hold up. Oh my God, this is awesome.
You won that.
So,
You won that easy.
you guys good?
The cat said easy.
Oh my God. No, look, it freaking attacked him. Okay, it wasn't on this video, it might have been, but it freaking jumped at him and they were like, it was just like, whoa, uh-oh.
You went back at him? So it smells. Nah, he wants that sewer.
They just want that dumb little sewer.
The cat said, no, this is mine. This
There's
is
actually
my
no
landmark.
other sewers,
There's like,
just
this
that
is
one
my-
sewer.
He's like, this is my landmark. You're not coming anywhere near me. Yeah, he's
Oh no.
the tree, I'm pretty sure. He might just take the tree.
He had so much fun. Ryan, tomorrow you got at least like one slide.
Yes.
Ooh.
They were fun.
One fan, at least one with all
Shut up, shut. Oh no, no.
He's coming. He's sneaking up on him. He said, I'll take the tree. As soon as he steps on that. He said no.
Oh no.
Nah, cat, fight him. Fight him. Fight him.
Do not conflict.
He says, if I don't get the sewer, no one gets the sewer. Yeah, you better run. He said, if I don't get the sewer, no one gets the sewer. You try to step on my sewer, I'm gonna...
Yeah, I haven't uploaded a video in a while. I might upload two. I have to, yeah. This one's gonna be kind of long. Oh, where's it going? Where's it going?
He said, I don't want no...
Oh, I see where he's going.
Yeah, he's done. He said no. What?
Oh, he's leaving.
Watch them crawl into the fence. Watch them crawl into the fence.
Move, move,
They're
move.
gonna crawl out.
Oh, yep. He's gone. He be
And
gone.
watch him try to sneak up.
Watch him going under the fence. Oh, he's over there. Oh, I can't see him go this way. He went over that way.
No, we can't see it. That's it.
Hey, hold on, look at that.
Okay, bye guys. Bye.
You see him?